Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have seafood boil.
You already know. No, it's not a mess. You know when to have this, or you know what time it is, so you know the vibes, family.
Let me tell you something, family. Richard pissed me off. The seafood boil never happened enough. It almost never happened.
Yo, I never see a woman can chat so much, man. Yeah.
Anyway,
look into the camera. Look into the camera. Look into the camera. Look at the camera. I'm gonna tell you I'm looking at the damn camera. What a chunk.
Before we go any further, and I tell you what we have, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I love it. You like it. Yes.
9 months.
You know you love talk, man. You talk too much sometimes, man. You tell them what you have, man. Let me go and eat my food.
You got something.
Damn. I was waiting for this.
I told Richie 5,500 times I'm ready.
Why, what happened, you know?
And I have to still wait for Richie. How is that possible? I do outfit of the day, cook the food, set it up, and I'm still waiting for him. Sure.
Tom, why you put all the napkin right just right here?
I don't know. Over there, sir?
But sometimes, you know, man, you talk sometimes when you don't need to talk, yo. Real talk, yo. You tell me ready. I'm seeing already. How much time you get fixing up camera, family? The behind the scene is rough.
No, Richie is rough.
I ain't capping, son. That behind the scene is rough, B.
Tired.
No? Look, you gonna mess up your white shirt.
Well, no, I don't know why I put on white for it. Because there's nothing in here.
Family, ooh.
Oh, so we have king crab.
What we got here?
My bad. Richie a 9.
First lady got that mucho dinero. So she got with king crab, you know.
I got king crab,
We got
mussels,
that stimulus.
shrimp. We ain't get no stimulus. Shrimp, egg, sausage, corn, potatoes.
What else you have?
That's it.
You want a bib to put on your shirt? Yes. First lady came through on crunch time, you know? First lady said, yo, we gonna eat some king crab today.
Yeah, man. I don't know why I put a white shirt.
You wanna take it off?
Ooh.
See your mind there?
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
I soon give you a bite. I had to taste it first. Make sure first lady. Then you decide now you know first you never miss, but I'm not sure. Alright.
Alright. I gotta look in these mussels, because sometimes they be having the beard in it. That's nasty.
Family, what do you want to try? First lady already said we have the shrimp and everything here. I'm not gonna go back to it because you already know what first lady said we have. So you pick one. And don't pick the biggest thing over there because I know y'all would do that. Do not do that. If you could have an egg or a sausage or a corn. King crab.
Ain't got nothing on me.
Cause that's for me, but here. Let me give you a corn. The corn roll. The corn. Yeah, piece of corn. Take it. Bye. Take a dips. Oh, it's the sauce for me.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay. I thought it tastes like butter, man.
And butter.
Yes. Wait, I'm gonna tell you what does it taste like. Yeah, I told you just now. Yeah, and it tastes good too.
I don't know what possessed me to put on white shirt. But
No problem that.
too late. Me not change it.
Nah, change. Here, take a mussel. Take a mussel for the hustle.
Alright. Oh my goodness.
That was good.
Spicy.
This is a lemon off my friend tree. Yes, we have lemon tree here too in Florida. Why do you just squeeze upon this time?
After you dip, you can squeeze upon it. You can squeeze upon it before the man.
So how you wonderful people doing today, man? Oh, it's okay. We sorry. It's not even 5 minutes in the video yet. We sorry.
What you did to them?
They said we should act when we introduce everything.
Uh-oh.
No. We're sorry though. Seafood, I gotta check seafood because first eat fast my seafood, man.
Yeah, right. Listen, when you have these mussels, you gotta check it out. Sometimes they be having beard in it. I don't,
I have everything, man. I know, man.
I don't know that.
Okay. There we go.
I'm going right to the king crab.
King crab.
Right to the king crab.
Come here.
What's up?
Remember it? Got it? I'm packing for you?
I'm sorry, you know, it's hard for me to ask for help.
Oh, you don't want me to help you?
No, I don't say that. Because,
You see what I'm talking about, people?
ooh.
As soon as I'm about to put it in my mouth, somebody grab it. Oh, no. Show them. Gotta show them that. That's what we here for. That's what we here for, baby. Yeah. That's what we're here for. Yeah, take a piece of my shrimp and I give you a piece of that.
You must have mad. Wait. Wow. You know that happens because of the spice?
Spice and everything nice.
Yeah. Thank you. Ooh.
I'm going in on the egg family. It's the only time I get down on eggs.
Right, really good.
Good? I didn't get mine yet.
You had the ginormous one.
That's right. King get a king crab. That's you.
Ooh.
Right. Tom, this thing I talk about tonight?
You want to see that? A beard that?
My you make me and them all them things them my youth.
Wait a minute. You didn't just send me and go like you don't care, you eat everything.
No, but no, you have to tell me something, I have to look feet.
I like the beard. You don't like the beard.
So we not gonna poison me? I need to hell. Right, family? Everything gonna poison me? Why not? Oh man. Somebody must say, yo, Richie.
Ooh.
This is good. Appreciate it, king crab.
Oh, you're welcome. My hubby asked for it.
Gotta get it, son.
The hubby asked for it, the hubby gets.
Get. What first they ask for, first they sure get.
Ooh. I thought that. Oh, I tore that king crab up.
Break mine, they gave a piece of mine.
I still have a piece left from on mine.
Oh. This is what I'm drinking. Mango. No?
Oh, the mango black people juice?
Yeah, black people juice. We gotta do the black people
Oh!
juice. Ghetto style, you know? That's what we do over here. Straight ghetto. Cheap and clean, you know? That's how we do it. Wow.
Oh, I hope you guys had a good day.
Yeah. Oh my, we didn't even ask. No my napkin?
Messy man. Messy boots.
If you want to donate some napkin, just holler at us.
Yo, Mister, you can beggy.
Big like your Oh man. I gotta make the family laugh sometime, you know?
Listen, family.
Gotta make them laugh, you know?
And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.
Exactly.
Don't miss out.
Don't miss out.
You understand? If we made you laugh,
That's something good, yep. If it made you laugh, that's something good. Subscribe. You don't gotta hide no more, you know?
yeah.
You know what I mean? Don't be a silent commenter.
Beard.
Yeah. Come out and just holler and just talk to us, you know? Just interact.
Candy and that.
Yeah. That's like if you go to a club, you just stand up one side. You go to a club to dance. You go to a party to dance, right? Then you just stand up one side and you don't dance. That's a waste of money. Come to the show, man.
Whew.
You full?
Something hot.
Welcome to the Greedy Show.
Oh,
What?
family.
What?
If you notice that my eyes are red, because I know you guys are nosy.
They don't miss nothing.
I'm good.
I'll tell you why. First they have contact and she don't wear them. So when she takes too long to put them in, then her eye turn red.
Bingo.
Hard contacts, I don't want to wear them.
Because when I take them out, this is what happens. And it looks like, everybody be like, you're so tired. Why is your eyes so red? Oh my God, look at your eyes. What happened to your eyes? Are you okay?
Uh-oh.
What?
I'm eating all of that and I didn't eat my...
Yo, that's something big.
Big. You like it big? You like it big?
I love it big.
Your first lady, be careful.
I love it big.
Wow. Oops, I'm sorry. It's the crack for me. Wow. All right, let's see what we got up in this bad boy. I'm not a king crab eater like that, so I don't know the open king crab. But first lady spoiled me, so she cut it for me already. Excuse me. Excuse me, first lady. Yeah, they're red for real, man.
Your mind on red man.
I guess what the mugger going on.
Great mugger iguana.
Alright, baby, come on. Alright, I got a piece of that piece, but look at.
You got the fat. No fat?
I put the fat in my mouth already. I don't know what kind of fat. I thought it's all meat. There you go. You can't see. Sorry, I can't see, but it's alright.
I said, what a man can just eat anything, man. Ooh.
I don't know what part is the fat. I'm just eating, son. You can see where's the fat. Show me the fat on this, Tom.
The white stuff.
White stuff?
You drop off already?
I don't know. I yam
You
something.
probably drop off already, you know?
I yam it already.
Probably.
And then-
What?
And then the fuck what I hate me now. That's it.
Whoa. Professional king crab. We haven't had king crab on the channel in a while.
Because we can't afford it. Tell the people the truth. We can't afford it. When we could afford it, we get it. You know what?
I feel like
We ain't no big mukbangers.
I feel like
We
they're
got-
always raising the price on the king crab.
First lady, one thing. Eat when you could afford, you understand?
Your man can't eat beyond your needs.
We ain't gonna eat beyond our needs. We can't afford it. Simple as that. That's why if you want to know, we're gonna tell you right now.
Excuse me. That's not ladylike.
Everybody burp. so fam, that's the truth. So now we got it. That means we could afford it. Got
Yes,
that stimulus down. Person said don't tell it, but they try to say try to rap we.
What be saying? All I know is they won't be seeing king crab for a while. Once they go upon sale. And king crab not go upon sale.
Right now, family, it's the time we ball out. Tax time. Everybody balling for tax time right now, so nobody could say, yo, I don't got it. Y'all got it now. It's tax time plus the stimulus. Come on, you add that up together, you know you got a package. Yeah. You agree with me? Agree, I know y'all do.
A down payment on something.
Down payment on something. Everybody balled out this time.
Mm.
You know what I mean? First lady treat me this today, and I respect it. I like it. She surprised me. When I hear King Crack, I said, wow. That's what I'm talking about. I said, yeah, you came through at a crunch time. You got sauce all over your hand.
All over my hands, but I have a few drops on my shirt, but not a lot.
I'm doing good.
Not a lot. Oops. Oh,
Family, yes, y'all can help us. I know you already did already, but help us more. It's a lot to go around.
You know what? I need some blue crabs again, but even that's expensive. And then they don't be good.
They're young.
They're young. I can't do that. Sit there, spend our money, and then we don't get no crab that have meat in it.
No meat, cause we like the crab, we like lady crab, we got the eggs.
Yeah, and
That's what we
beer
like.
meat.
Beer meat. I love those kind of crabs. With the meat in there. Family. It's another beautiful meal. From my beautiful chatty wife. Chat too damn much sometime my family, this meal almost never happened, you know?
Your problem is that because I was gonna eat anyway.
Never almost happened just now. So, you know what I'm saying?
It's your fault. You take too long to get ready.
I'm gonna put on the shirt.
Exactly. So why I'm sitting here waiting for you?
You don't wait for me. Don't tell people they wait on me because I've been ready. So.
Richie, stop.
No, I wasn't
okay,
waiting on me.
don't lie to the family.
Family know I'm
What
not
were
lying.
you sitting here doing?
I'm always ready when it comes time to food. They know that, so they know
Please.
you're capping, son. Ooh, well, look at this jumbo, but
That came
this
out
a
good.
jumbo liar.
What?
Jumbo liar. What's it called? What's it called? What's the word?
Man, but you know what I try to say.
Jumbo.
Jambalaya?
Yeah, man. Yeah, that one.
Excuse me.
So what I said? What I said? Jumbo liar.
Jambalaya.
Oh, it's the same thing. They know what I mean. One more napkin.
Yeah, no, I'm good. Oh, there's no fat on it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Fat. Now, if it was a white part.
Yeah, like this part.
Oh,
like
I've
this
been.
part.
Oh,
See that part, family? This gets taken off, yeah.
Family, I brushed down this part already so fast. I thought it was meat. It's alright, take it. It's alright. I know. I want you to take it. Good job. So now she took your bite. Now she already took your bite for y'all. Family, look at this. First, they got put your hand up ready real quick. Come on.
You don't give me work.
Yeah, come on, put your hand there. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Ooh.
Yep.
It's the meat for me.
Ooh. It's cold in here.
The AC's on 10. You full?
Yep. I'm full.
First lady full.
I don't want to be full. You ever eat something and you're eating and you know you're full and you're like, really? I don't want to be full.
Yeah.
It's also a steak.
Go, go.
That I can save it and add some more sauce. Mix up.
Allow to do. Perfect. Oh!
Stop.
I
knew he was gonna do it too. Now.
Almost forgot. You know I'm gonna do a still jump. Family, hold on. I almost forgot. I got caught up in the madness again. This is the time I don't like. Where we gotta go. Yeah. Aye. Family, first lady, tune in right now for the wow word of wisdom. Here we go, Pastor Rich in the building. Family, don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try.
Good up. Love it.
Love what the thing said. Yeah, man. You see?
Love it.
Where you don't try, you don't know what you're missing. You know what I'm saying? We couldn't afford a king crab, now we could afford it. We tried before.
Once every 6 months.
Once every 6 months.
Don't gas
so we
yourself.
couldn't get it before, now we got it. You know what I'm saying? We try till it's possible. And it's possible. We appreciate all of y'all for watching.
I'm full family.
Even though you're watching, but you're not thumbsing it up. If you view it, might as well give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that, but thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying? So we appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. So I got a knuckle left. Big piece of knuckle.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat it probably later on also.
You can save it too.
We are the Greedy Couple, and we appreciate y'all coming and have this conversation with us and joining the show where we talk about anything. So
PMS.
BMS. So they are First Lady?
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye!